Hey there, we're going to be making the Haunted Mansion Holiday Man-Eating Wreath. Let's get an idea what he looks like here first. There you go. So what we want to do is we start with a large wreath. Then you want to take some holly vines and get those mixed into the wreath. You want to kind of wind them in between all the leaves. You want to use some garland for your next step, and also mix the holly vines into the garland. Use some of the garland pieces to make it look like this. These will be the arms for the wreath. The eyes, you'll use a large plastic serving spoon. You'll have to cut the base off. You want to sand everything smooth so the orange and the yellow paint will stick to it. You can use a paint marker to make the eyes you can make them in the bottom lower half. Next step is to get the teeth ready. So we're using the actual teeth shape from the ride itself. We just cut them out on the computer, overlay them. For this next step, you'll be using the EVA foam. You'll be overlaying the teeth printouts on the foam and cutting them out. Make sure you size your printout correctly for the size of your wreath. Here you can see the teeth are ready to be glued onto the back. This is what they look like on there. We also hot glued the eyes on and used floral wire to attach the arms. I did place black felt behind the teeth to add some contrast and placed a skull bow at the bottom. He's all ready to have some fun. Of course, the ride has some man-eating poinsettia plants at the bottom. You can get these online. Etsy and eBay does have them available. You can add more arms or other accessories as you like, but enjoy your wreath and have a happy Halloween, everyone.